In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a drop-down list in Excel. Drop-down lists are a great way to keep your data consistent and make your spreadsheets easier to use. But once you've created one, you'll often need to update it, maybe to add a new option, remove an old one, or correct a spelling mistake. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step. First, open the Excel file that contains the drop-down list you want to change. Take a moment to locate one of the cells that already has the drop-down. You'll know you found it if you see a small arrow on the right side of the cell when it's selected. Click on that cell to select it. Now, look at the top of Excel and go to the Data tab on the ribbon. In the Data Tools group, find and click on Data Validation. This opens the Data Validation window, which is where the drop-down list is actually defined. In the Settings tab of that window, look for the Source box. This box controls what appears in your list. Depending on how the list was created, you'll see one of two things. You might see a range of cells, like a reference to a column or row in your sheet. In that case, the drop-down is pulling its options from that range. Or you might see a list of items separated by commas, which means the choices were typed directly into the source box. If your drop-down is based on a range of cells, click the small button at the right side of the source box to collapse the window, then go to the sheet and adjust the range. You can drag to include more cells, or change it so it no longer includes values you don't want. When you're done, press Enter, and the full window will expand again. If the drop-down is based on typed values, you can simply edit the text in the source box, add new items, remove old ones, or correct spelling, making sure each option is separated by a comma with no extra spaces if you want it neat. When you're happy with your changes, click OK to apply them. Click the arrow on your drop-down cell to test it and confirm that the new options appear correctly. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully edited a drop-down list in Excel, and you can repeat these steps anytime your list needs an update.